Okay, so we're going to post their pictures and information online. The red girl and the white, that one right there in the middle, not her, not him. Her, she's staying with us. Because these are G's babies, and we have to keep somebody from Gigi. That's a boy. He's got cute marking. And he's a boy. Has his eyes open. And our little girl. That's the boy. Yeah, oh, he's cute. He's got such a cute face. He's got a really fat platypus face. Yeah, I know. They're very easygoing, very sweet. Yeah, I know, guys. Okay. Alright. Can we see the girl's face? There you go. There you go. And that pitter patter is Athena, Amora, and Aria Bellini playing right by my feet.
Well, someone's sleeping on my legs.
Oh, who is it?